Ħafna mill-immigranti li ġu f'pajjiżna ma jkunux ridu jiġu Malta, imma jkunu jridu jmorru f'pajjiżi oħra li jistgħu joffrulhom aktar opportunitajiet. Dan qalu l-Ministru tal-Affarijiet Barranin George Vella f'intervista li kellu fuq l-istazzjon televiżiv CNN. Il-Ministru George Vella saħaq li pajjiżna ftit li xejn jista' joffri opportunitajiet lil dawn in-nies.
Cannot offer these people the opportunities for which they left their countries and risked their lives to get a better life. Many of them don't want to come to Malta. They come by chance. It's because the boat simply is drifting or they are rescued by the Malta forces.
Il-Ministru saħaq għal iktar għajnuna mill-Unjoni Ewropea fejn l-immigranti għandhom jiġu rilokati proporzjonalment f'pajjiżi Ewropej.
When these individuals qualify for protection as asylum seekers and they become refugees or as they have international they are protected, then there would be a system whereby they would be relocated proportionately, possibly, in other European member states.
Mistoqsi dwar iċ-ċentri ta' detenzjoni, il-Ministru George Vella qal li huma ffullati wisq filwaqt li l-immigranti ma jgħinux biex jinżammu bl-aħjar mod possibbli.
But they do not help themselves. They don't help themselves. They don't care for the facilities that they have. They break toilets, they smear the place. That is one aspect of it. But at the same time, yes, it's too crowded, and we cannot afford to carry on caring after all these numbers.
Madankollu l-Ministru George Vella qal li l-pajjiż jinsab għaddej b'ħidma kontinwa sabiex jgħin lill-immigranti u jtejjeb il-kundizzjonijiet tagħhom.